Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 24th of September, 2018.
Hi, everybody.
Oh gosh, it is good. Alrighty, let's talk about, like we always do, who was here this weekend. Big surprise this weekend, even though we kind of knew they were coming. It was still kind of a surprise because we thought they were kind of a couple of weeks ago and didn't make it. But Corey and Reebok made it down. Got down here Friday evening, spent Friday evening, Saturday, and left Sunday morning. Had a really, really good time. Didn't have a whole lot of folks come over, but we did a lot of traveling.
Yes, we did.
Got up early Saturday morning, as y'all know. Went down to breakfast at Cracker Barrel. Country Kitchen came to mind. I don't know why. I guess because it's country food. But anyhow, went down to Cracker Barrel. Had a really, really good time. Enjoyed that. Had breakfast with everybody but Michael. Michael's the only one that didn't get to make it down from Atlanta. But we had a good time and enjoyed it. And then Mom and I came home, and I think all the kids kind of hung out together for a little while and had a good time. And then that evening we went back over to Daniel's. That was a great time.
That was fun. I had a blast over there.
It was really, really good.
Playing with Doodlebug.
Yeah, had a good time playing with Butterbean and the new baby and kind of sitting around talking to everybody. Listen to old school music.
Old school music. Yeah. That Dana knew the words to.
Yeah,
that was so awesome.
That was really, really awesome. So we had a great time doing that. And then Sunday was a good day. Went over to Michaela's new house and had a great time there. Played some cornhole, ate some good food.
And guess who won cornhole?
Well, I'm not going to mention my name and Daniel's name, but Big Daddy D and me, we did pretty good. We did all right. We got first place.
I got second place, though.
That's it. First loser, so here we go. We had a great time, though, but really did have a good time this week. It was busy, but we had a good time.
Yes, it was fun.
All right, let's move on. Alrighty, this week in the shop. Now, this week we didn't do a whole lot. I'm not really sure why. I guess kind of getting everything ready around the house and doing things. But Mom completed a resin pour. Now, she didn't complete the whole project, but she did complete the resin pour, correct?
It's ready to be sanded.
Got some sanding to do on it, and then you're going to do your polyurethane, and then what else you got to do with after that?
That's going to be a three-legged table.
That's going to be a three-legged table, so we got that to do. I cut a bunch of 2x4s for, the Halloween projects here. These projects here, so this 2x4, the next time you see it, probably be sitting beside me, could be beside me, but it's going to be sitting up here with me somewhere, all dressed up and gussied up and ready for the start of the holidays, so look forward to that.
Fall season.
We got the wood for what I call the sign people all together and kind of brought in here, and I think we got a couple boards still sitting out in the
scarecrows, Frankensteins.
Yeah, all that. So we got
snowmen.
That done. And then we did a little bit of cleaning up around the shop. Didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but we got a little bit cleaned up in here so we can start getting ready to do some work in here this week. Actually, we're gonna be busy this week. So yeah. Alrighty, so let's move on, guys. Oh, that is good. This is going to be probably kind of towards the end of tea season here. All right, projects completed. Didn't get a lot completed, but the one that we did get completed was a big one, and that was we got the storage box that is going to go to the shows with us. I'm going to go up to Atlanta with us when we go to the Market 400. It's a 20-inch by 35-inch box. I think Reebok. That's what you said.
Yeah, originally had it. Yeah.
For like when she was showing.
Yeah, it had her horse, all of her horse stuff in it.
All her horse stuff in it.
And she would take it when she'd go to shows, and that was all her stuff. When she kind of moved on, Michael took it over, and then now Michael's moved on. It's been kind of sitting around here. I cleaned it out and cleaned it up and got it ready. It's going to be going in the show trailer, and then it's going to Atlanta, and it's going to hold our toolboxes, our pliers, hammers, tape. Price tags, just anything that has staple
to do with
gun, anything
that has to do with the management of kind of the show while we're up there will go in that box, and I'm looking forward to having a central location.
Me too.
Looking forward to that. But that's really the only project we got complete, because as usual our projects will wait till the week before a show and we'll knock
everything will be done.
We'll get everything knocked out then. All right, let's move on, guys. All right, now let's talk about shows and markets. Now that we kind of mentioned them here, next show up is what? It's Mule Day.
Mule Day, yes.
Washington,
our favorite.
Georgia. That's it. 13th of October, 2018, the second Saturday in October, and that is always Mule Day. So we're looking forward to that. It's Washington, Georgia, up in Wilkes County. If y'all can make it, you got to make it to this one. If you don't make it to anything else we do, you got to make it to Mule Day. There's so much going on. There's so much excitement. So many things going on besides the earthquake that just hit that kind of made it look like your mom bumped the camera, but it really wasn't. She was stretching.
Yes,
she was bored behind the camera. But anyhow, so that's coming up. We're really looking forward to that. Lakewood Market 400 will be 6 days after Mule Day. So that's a lot of turnaround time. The 19th, 20th, and 21st, we're going to be back up in Atlanta. Well, not Atlanta, Cumming, Georgia. Lakewood Market, Lakewood 400 Antiques Market. Looking forward to that. We got a flea market we're going to try to do somewhere at the end of October. Not sure if we're going to get that or the first of
Can't
November.
do it at the end of October because we'll be in Reeboks.
Well, no, it's going to be tough. We got one weekend we could do it.
Oh, that's true. The weekend after.
If we do that, but we're not sure we're going to do that. But along those lines, the guys I talked to you already, you need to come pick out any of the wood that you've milled up here, that you want up here, because I'm going to be taking all that wood and getting rid of it. So if you would, come up, take a look through these piles. If there's something that you've cut on the mill, that I've cut on the mill, and you want to keep it, put your name on it, mark it, we'll move it out of that area and get it set up in a place where it won't get taken off. But if you got anything you're interested in, they're going to need to come get it pretty soon.
Yep.
So yeah, that'll be coming probably October, most likely November, but
yeah.
Sometime for the end of the year. Alright, now let's talk about what's upcoming for Two Dogs. We've got a lot coming up. We've got to finish off all these Halloween decorations. Again, that's these two doors here are going to come out looking like this. We've got to make some of the sign people I talk about all the time, the scarecrows, Frankensteins, witches, all of those. What else do you do?
Snowmen, and then we do signs, just regular signs like the boo sign and stuff like that. They just go together.
Like that. All that's going to get done. We're going to make some of turkeys, those turkeys that Mama makes. And I know y'all know what I'm talking about. Tom the turkey's got the big center, almost 4x4 piece, and a big feather thing on the back. We're going to be showing him in a couple of weeks, but we got to make a bunch of those. That you took him. We took him.
Yeah, we took him the last show.
Just kind of as a decoration, and people really went crazy over it. So we're going to have to make some of those.
Everybody wanted to buy him. I was like, no, he's not for sale.
He's a piece of our art.
Our history.
Yeah, and he's also a part of the actually Two Dogs. He's been around so long.
He's been around.
You need to put him on the payroll. Well, at least somebody get a paycheck.
Ooh,
right?
then I can cash his paycheck, right?
Yay,
more power tools.
Yeah, somebody getting some money. Then we've got to start sawing some logs. Now, what am I going to do sawing logs? Well, I'm going to cut up a bunch of cants out of these pine logs. And I don't know how many pine logs I got here. I got a ton. And then I got about 15 logs here that we need to make some slabs out of. And I'm going to need slabs to take up to Mule Day. And I'm also going to need to take some slabs back up to Atlanta. So I got to get to cutting those. I plan on doing those this weekend. Looks like we're supposed to have a little bit of rain move in. We'll have to find out about that and see if that actually happens or not. But I look for me to be on the mill maybe some this week, but definitely this weekend. All right, let's move on, guys. Now, I think that's really about it. Do you have anything, Rand?
Except that we are empty nesters now.
That's right.
All our children have moved out. Yeehaw! No, we really miss you guys, but you're on your own. It's perfect.
Yep.
So if there's anything in this house that you want, dishes, pots, pans, glasses, whatever, anything that you might want, tell us so we can put it to the side. Otherwise, guess what?
It's gone.
It's gone.
I'm going to make a trip to the flea market when all this excess wood out here, guys. So y'all let us know. I think that's really about it then this week. All right. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop.
The chair's there, honey.
I don't know what it is with the chair recently here. That was kind of stupid.
I couldn't even see your face. You had the board in front of you the whole time.
I always try to put it in front of me. That's the whole thing, but it's just...
Okay.
Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday.
Is it Monday? It is Monday.
It's Monday.
Last week we did it on Tuesday. This is Monday, honey.
Okay.
It's okay.